To tackle our slow moving drain, first thing we're gonna do is to check this area right here. This is the control to the stopper. And so if we just pinch this right here, it'll slide off the end of the stopper. It'll disconnect these two things. That comes off, detaches this. This can slide off the stopper pole. And now we can undo this. Typically, hair likes to get caught up on this apparatus. A lot going on through here. It's always a good idea to put a pan underneath this because there'll be water inside this. So unscrew this joint. That just slides off, and there's a little rubber washer here that connects these two. When you put this on it, it squeezes that. Same thing on this end. So these threaded nuts are here so that they're easy to remove. And there, we're getting some water, and all inside of this is all filled with water to stop sewer gases from becoming an annoyance. To make that more easily come off, we'll loosen this. And there we go. And so there's water, a lot of water inside that. Pretty clean, you know, relatively speaking. This little side can go up in this. And so let's see where our issue is. And there's a little bit. That's probably enough to slow it down. So we'll take that out. And then let's go ahead and we'll go in here, because sometimes in this transition it can get a little cloggy. So we'll see what we can disturb in there. Doesn't look too bad. So now we'll just put everything back together. And just kind of get it lightly reassembled first. And then we'll tighten everything up tight. Okay, once that looks like it's in a good position, we can tighten this one first. Threaded PVC unions are so nice. We'll put this in the drain just like this, where that is going to be lined up in that hole right there. What happens is this is your stopper up inside here, and this goes right into there so that can control the up and down movement. Okay, so now that we've cleaned out the drain inside there, I'm just going to go ahead and put this back inside. We got to try to line up the plunger, and you can test it to see that you got it in the hole as you move this up and down. First thing is to put half of this on, and then the back half of the clip. And that clip just keeps it from sliding off the post. Now we can go ahead and retighten this back up. So all of these are tight again. We'll go ahead and tighten this a little bit more with our channel locks. And then we'll run some water. There's plenty of goop in the sink that we pulled out of there. So we actually don't want that going back down in there. It's an old metal drain and it looks like it's rusting. So that ideally could be replaced, but let's see how she drains now. Much better, because before it was a mess. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video.